The overall best essential oils to have at home Part 1. It's amazing how much your sense of smell can influence your other senses, provoking everything from powerful emotions to bringing back memories. This is how aromatherapy functions, which explains why essential oils have gained enormous popularity in recent years. However, these oils are much more versatile than simply smelling good. Here are a few essential oils that you simply must have in your home. 1. Lavender. Make this your go-to essential oil if you only have room for one. One of the most adaptable essential oils available is lavender, which has been utilized for therapeutic and home care purposes for countless years. Lavender can be applied topically to treat minor burns, insect bites, skin rashes, and acne scars. It also works well as a disinfectant for wounds and scrapes. A few drops of lavender oil in a bath will calm frayed nerves and promote restful sleep, and massaging the oil into your forehead and temples helps ease migraines. A few drops can be added to a paste of baking soda and water to make an efficient underarm deodorant, and can also be applied to a steam inhalation to help treat sinus problems and respiratory infections. In the house, dried lavender sachets will deter moths, and a few drops added to the rinse cycle of your laundry can get rid of smells from sweaty gym clothes and musty socks. To make your living area smell better, mix some lavender oil into the water you use to clean the floor. 2. Tea tree. One of the best and most practical essential oils to keep on hand is this one, and for good reason. Frequently it's referred to as a medicine cabinet in a bottle because it can be used to treat practically every common condition. Although tea tree oil should never be consumed, it can be applied topically to treat warts, insect bites, dermatitis/eczema, athlete's foot, acne, and cold sores. A few drops of it can be added to unscented shampoo to cure dandruff and psoriasis, and a few more drops in the same shampoo can also get rid of head lice. A teaspoon of tea tree oil mixed with water in a misting bottle can be used throughout the house to make a disinfectant spray, and a few drops of undiluted oil placed about your pet's bed will deter fleas. 3. Lemon. One of the top essential oils for household use is lemon. To make a DIY furniture polish, mix a few drops of lemon essential oil with some olive oil. It can also be added to boost the potency of homemade floor cleaners, dish detergent, laundry soap, and spray cleaners. To make an antibacterial scour for butcher blocks and wooden cutting boards, mix a few drops of lemon essential oil with some coarse salt and baking soda. There are therapeutic applications for lemon essential oil as well. To treat foul breath, add a few drops to a glass of water and gargle with it. Dandruff can be reduced by adding a few drops to shampoo. Anxiety can be reduced by adding lemon oil to a bath or diffuser. It also functions as a hand sanitizer when combined with aloe gel. 4. Peppermint. The majority of people undoubtedly already drink peppermint tea to calm their stomachs, but you can also massage your abdomen with a carrier oil that contains a few drops of peppermint essential oil in it to ease cramps and nausea. A few drops of pure, undiluted peppermint essential oil will attract a tick out of your skin. When combined with pine and eucalyptus and added to a carrier oil, peppermint is wonderful for applying to the chest and throat to calm coughing fits and help relieve bronchial congestion. A few drops of peppermint oil combined with cool water can also make a wonderful foot soak to calm tired, overheated feet. While cleaning floors, you may add a teaspoon of peppermint essential oil to the water to provide a fresh scent and antibacterial characteristics. You can spray peppermint oil onto smelly shoes and boots to get rid of odors. Rodents and spiders are put off by the aroma of peppermint oil, so placing a few drops around wall cracks will also keep them away. 5. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus essential oil is excellent for clearing out chest congestion, and a salve created with it can help to calm asthma symptoms when applied to the neck and chest. If applied to the affected area several times daily, the same salve can reduce the discomfort of fibromyalgia. Adding a few drops to a compress and applying it to shingles-affected skin will reduce the pain and hasten the healing process. Because of its antibacterial qualities, eucalyptus is perfect for use in DIY sprays for your kitchen and bathroom. You can also diffuse the oil in your bathroom to get rid of odors and germs. Keep in mind that efficacy will also depend on the quality of the oil you purchase. It is worthwhile to spend a little extra money on good quality, organic essential oils if you want to use them primarily for healthcare and first aid. The common essential oils that you can get in pharmacies and health food stores should work just fine if you prefer to use these in cleaning products. Please do your homework before using any essential oils to fully understand their applications and potential toxicity, and use common sense when using them. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.